Hi, my name is Steven Chen. This is my partner, Aditya Sumo, and we built the battering ram, which is the Sumo robot.
The challenge was to build an autonomous robot that can push another robot with the same objective out of the ring without going over the white line.
Our constraints were to use only one NXT, to use only Lego parts, to use a maximum of one light sensor, 2 ultrasonic sensors,
and it has to be a maximum of 30 pounds.
And it has to fit inside one of these tiles, which is 13 inches by 13 inches. This is a video of our robot completing this challenge. This is our robot right here, and it is going against Ragang and Andrew's robot right here. And seems that the rest of the robots are standing at the side, but we're locked in zaps.
And this is Daniel's robot and Steve's robot. Also, due to some difficulties on the day of the challenge, for some reason our NXT wasn't working properly, so we had some technical difficulties that weren't fixed in time. It was working well the day before that. Features and benefits. Ours has an ultrasonic sensor, which is mandatory, that can sense the other robot, and it has a light sensor that detects the white line, so it'll go into, it can evade attacks once it reaches there, and it also has large wheels so that it covers more ground faster.
We also used a gear train for our battering ram. We used a big to small so that it increases the speed of rotations so that the battering ram will shoot in and out. And also we have the battering ram was just used to shove robots away during the match. And we also had another gear train which was for the wheels, and this was from small to big, so it actually increased the torque but decreased the speed of the wheels,
so that we could have some power to push the robot. One of the problems was that our robot couldn't push the box, so that's why we added the torque in the first place. And the robot slid across the floor, so we had to build a better chassis, and we kind of raised it up and with the big wheels. And the robot didn't sense the other robots, so we increased the sensitivity, which could backfire because everyone was crowded around the circle. And the rams weren't locked in place, so instead of becoming just like a ram, they became projectiles, which helped a bit in our first match.
This is a picture of our code, and here is an ultrasonic switch, a light switch. So if the robot is on the white tape, the motors will go backwards, so the robot will move backwards back into the ring. And if it's not on the white tape, which is just inside the ring, then it'll go to this my block, which is the ultrasonic switch. This is a picture of the my block, and right here, if the ultrasonic senses something and it's close to something, then both motors will move forward and it will engage the robot, and the battering ram will shoot in and out. It will turn a number of rotations, stop, and then go back a number of rotations, and it will repeat that because it's in a loop. And if it's far away, the robot will just turn until it sees something and it'll go here.
The project progressed quite smoothly, and we didn't have much trouble, and we had a lot of teamwork. We kind of decided that Stephen would do the bottom part and the chassis with an NXT, and that I would be building the RAM and the over NXT part. And decisions were made before building so that we didn't have any problems, and we could have communicated a bit more because we had some trouble later on when my box above couldn't really fit the chassis, so we had to make a few changes then. And we learned some things like how to, before this challenge we learned how to avoid because we were doing a maze challenge. This time we learned how to target something and become offensive, not defensive. And the competition was really fun and exciting. And something that's not up there is that we won because, believe it or not, it was quite stupid that we didn't do anything and we won.
Does anyone have any questions?
Gentlemen, any questions?